You know, sometimes, right, you see that pleasure, right, when you're pursuing pleasure, turns into suffering. Like you drink too much and you puke, right? And you say, oh, I'm doing it for pleasure. And I think, oh, more is better, more is better, more is better, but it's not. You know, or you eat too much candy and you puke. Well, you puke a lot. All right? You know, or something, you know what I'm saying? Say, like you might really like steak or something, you know, or lamb even better, it's oily, right? And you eat the lamb and you think, oh, I love this, man. And you eat more lamb, and you puke. See, I mean, pretty soon it's like, I don't want more lamb. I am, you know, filled at the oils and the grease. It's too much lamb, right? But you notice that, you know, you eat some lamb and you eat some potatoes and some salad, you know, have a sip of wine, whatever you say, and you kind of balance it out. It works really well. Kind of thing, you know. Maybe an artichoke so that you can be healthy. Okay. Or Brussels sprout. Artichoke would be a little too much at that point. In any case. You know? See? So even if, right? Now watch this. Even if you don't like Brussels sprouts, you know? I mean, you don't hate Brussels sprouts. Right? They're not beets. But you don't like Brussels sprouts, right? But you know, you got all this oily lamb and this, you know, thick potatoes and stuff like that, right? You see, and you go, yeah, and this helps balance all that out. You know what I'm saying? See? I mean, you put in your own version, but you know, it's like, oh yeah, so even doing the Brussels sprouts, even though I'm not a big fan of Brussels sprouts, it helps like complete the meal in a way that's even more better than if I just did the things, you know, these things that I like the most, you know, kind of thing. So there is an element of balance involved, right? You know, balance. There's also an element of clinging, see? So if we're not balanced and we're clinging, then these things, you know, are going to throw us off and we're going to suffer even the pleasure, even the pleasurable stuff, you know. Or as Ramana Maharshi said, when he got cancer, and they said, oh, you got cancer. He's like, oh, it's terrible. You have to get surgery, remove this tumor. He says, why? You want me to suffer more, huh? Hanging around with you guys? Come on. Let me go. That was Ramana Maharshi. You know, why? Why do you want to prolong my life here? Let me go. No biggie.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.